Kani kadi ke ba ngalapoi keleng shawai hindai kemudian kita kawai cakap kami Meghalaya jungi kolong kari ke barit hindai kabun hot ke benlek.
Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society rengkat bat ka Meghalaya Tourism kalapan benapat ba baha ka khatlai hadu khandriu terik risau mentakasnem kin Pynlong ya kajing Iakop King Lieng Turmau Megha Kayak Festival Arhajar Arpoar MKF hawa Umtrew kabadon hari Bhoi district. Kani kajing Iakop King Lieng kandong kasien ka Paningkong ha kani ka jela. Kinong penyat jong kani ka kenhun kilapan bena bakindon ki buskit ki bakit hadu khatsan lak tengka nagabanta kinong yakun ki bapoi syakathong jingjok. Ha kani ka jing Iakop lakmi denti ba endon bon kinong ya shimpenta khamtam kirang bajuat King Lieng Turmau na India bat Nepal kin poi syakani ka jing yakun. Kila ongru bakindon kinong yang shimpenta bat Tibet na kiwei pat kiri jong ka perthai ki banwan ban yakun ban pen i ka sap bat ya ka jing Tibet jong ki ha kani ka jing lek kai. Kan longru kasien ka Paningkong bakin wan mat ya ka jinglong jingman jong kiwa ki badon hak ni ki lumba itnat jong ka jela Meghalaya. Ka Megha Kayak Festival Arhajar Arpoar kan pli la ru na ka bentaki thai baslur ban shimbenta ha ka ni ka lumpung bat enbu kerpang ya ki ha ka thup bayar rengkat kerdan pat ka jing Tibet jong ki. Kum kani ka jing Iakop King Lieng Turmau ladap Pynlong ru ha jela Karnataka bat Kerala ha kisnam balala. Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society kalapan benaru ba ka ai ki jing hikai ki bayade bat kani ka jing lek kai King Lieng Turmau nagbenta kitu ki badon ka jing angnut ban sha hikai bat banang ya kani ka jing lek kai ka badawa shibon ka jing shilur bat ka mensim bam khenya na ka jing em. Kani ka jing lek kai ka dawaru ya ka mensim baslur bat ka banut ban ya lek persha ki bor kisor jong ki lat bat ki mausong maute.
These rivers are pretty much world class, right? But in this case, my opinion is not the only opinion over here. So there are people where many international kayakers have come to Meghalaya in the last 10 years. So maybe Ian can give you a little bit more idea about the number of kayakers who've come and what rivers they've explored.
Well, as to the question, the rivers of Meghalaya are unique in India because of the geology. As you know, that Meghalaya is a plateau. With a very steep drop-off, to the plains, and so that creates a lot of waterfalls, very steep sections. So that's what's attracting the most extreme kayakers, the top people. That's what attracts them to Meghalaya is the steepness of the river. Whereas in the Himalayan rivers, they're more like very wide and open kind of rivers, But here it's very narrow and waterfalls, and so this is the challenge that's the thing which attracts them to Meghalaya.
The technical skill that they can that they can use is very high, and they enjoy that.
Yeah.
They need it's very technical, not just bouncing over water.
Yeah. And the narrow rivers are more technical, so they take a lot more skill, and it's more exciting than the big wide open rivers.
We are training with that in mind. That is our goal, to have Olympic participation from Meghalaya. So that is our goal, that Meghalaya has everything, like water is there because our place, it is dam release water. So throughout the year water is running. So water is there, and then Ian he has kayaked for Australia and has won several national championships. He has competed in the European Cup and World Championship also. So that way, like for coaching, coach is there, and now the government is also supporting us with that. So like our goal is to have future Olympians from Meghalaya.
Kiba kibalong kiba per kiba ni kiwi states of India kan di amde tang kata hindai nila ni bolu ki amde tang kiwa hindai ki krem ki kshat ki cloud te kani kadi ke ba ngalapoi keleng shawai hindai kemudian kita kawai cakap Meghalaya jungi kolong kari ke barit hindai kabun hot ki benlek kan te kamde tang kayaking kamde tang kani ke sport hindai ki bawan ya kani ke festival kimde tang ki banwan nam ta ke festival ki wan ya ka tourism jo ka Meghalaya ru kan